Welcome back, lovelies, to another Temu video. So in this December 2024, you should be visiting your Temu app every day because this is the Christmas season, it's gift season. Temu is just gifting anyhow, like they're giving opportunities for you to grab as much free gifts as possible. So I just decided to record this. I opened my Temu app and this is what I saw. Free gifts, claim now. Of course, there are going to be conditions attached to these free gifts. I want to show us what free gifts I get to have and what condition I'll be giving. So let's just delve right into it. So I will click on claim now. Okay, I get 100% off. I choose the egg, is definitely the middle one. Okay. Even if I didn't get it right, I'll be giving another chance. So I'm giving 6 items. 6 items for 100% off, subject to eligible purchase. Okay. Temu is really coming through. Like, the last time I was giving 4 free items to shop for €10 worth of goods, and then I also get €100 credit units for Temu, but now I'm giving 6 because I didn't want to order anything then. So now they're even increasing the bar. They really want me to shop. Let's see if they get me this time around. What do I really want here? Of course, you know that if Temu is giving you any free item, you must order from the page they are showing you. You just have to order from the page they are showing you. And yeah, they are going to show you stuff based on your recent searches and most things you search on the app. They are going to display most of those items to you. Let's just pick anything at random and see. My first free item, let's say I want this. Nice choice. So I get to pay nothing for that. The second one, let's pick this selfie stick. I need this. The third one, let's say for the 18 cm. And then let's pick something else for my baby. I choose this. I'll pick this too. Blue is cute. And what else? What else do I like here? I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to pick anything at random, to be honest, because I'm not even going to place this order. Let's pick this. This color is good. All gifts pick. Confirm your shipping address, of course. Confirm. Here is your dual reward. 100% coupons back. Pick an item, get 100% coupon back. Let's say I pick this. No. Okay. Check out for 6 items. So I have to pick. Let's see. Let's say I pick this. Okay. So here we can see giving 100% back, €60 max. So for me to be able to get 6 free items and then 100% coupon back, I need to shop €60 worth of items, which is actually not bad. It's very, very okay. Let me just keep picking and see how this works. Just want to show you've reached €60 max. Okay, so I get €100 coupon back. Okay, check out for 6 gifts. So I'm getting my 6 gifts and €100 coupon back. Let's see checkouts. So if I go ahead and pay now, pay to get 6 gifts at €0, total is 65. I just have to pay €65, and this is everything I get. This is all my free gifts. There are 6 of them. And then I get €100 coupon back. But well, Timo not today. Next time I'll place my order. So I just thought to record this and show us, like, if you're not visiting your Temu app every day in this Christmas, please do, because if you don't, you're surely leaving a lot of free gifts. Visit your Temu app, and I can assure you that you're going to, every day you visit your Temu app, you'll surely see something free for yourself. Okay, all right, have a lovely day, and thank you for watching to this point. Bye. Something else I want to add, if you notice, I'm being asked to pay €2.99 for shipping. Normally I'm not supposed to pay shipping at all, because Temu offers free shipping once you get to shop to the threshold you're required to. So the reason I'm paying this shipping fee, or I'm asked to pay the shipping fee, is because one of my items, which is this knife, is coming from a local store. So if I click on it, I'll see the information. The above is only for items from this provider. Final shipping cost and delivery time will be calculated at checkout. So I'm paying that shipping fee because this knife is not actually coming with other items, which is directly from Temu. This is coming from a local warehouse. Like, maybe I feel there are, manufacturers or people that sell on Temu, like in a form of partnership or something like that. I don't know. So if you're ordering any item that is coming from such people, you will definitely pay for shipping fee if the amount of that item is not up to the normal threshold or something like that. I'm not sure, but I think this is the second time I'm noticing this, having to pay for shipping fee. Once your item is coming from a local warehouse, you will definitely be asked to pay for a shipping fee. So I just thought I should also put this information out there. Okay.